Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp Alfredo. This guide will help you create a restaurant-quality meal right in your own kitchen. We will cover everything from preparing the shrimp and cooking the pasta to crafting a rich, creamy Alfredo sauce from scratch. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this simple yet elegant dish that comes together in about 30 minutes. Let's dive into the steps for a truly satisfying meal. First, let's get our main components ready. For the shrimp, choose about 1 pound of medium-sized fresh shrimp. Peel and deveined them carefully, then pat them dry to ensure they sear nicely. Next, cook 8 ounces of fettuccine in boiling, salted water until it's al dente, which means it's tender but still firm to the bite. Remember to save about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water before you drain the noodles. It's a secret ingredient for a perfect sauce. Now for the star of the show, the creamy Alfredo sauce. In a large skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook until it's fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Slowly pour in 2 cups of heavy cream, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Finally, stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until the sauce is wonderfully smooth and thick, creating that classic, rich texture. It's time to bring everything together. Add your cooked shrimp to the warm Alfredo sauce and heat them gently until they are just pink and cooked through. Next, toss the drained fettuccine with the sauce and shrimp, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated. If your sauce seems a little too thick, use a splash of that reserved pasta water to achieve the perfect consistency. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley, and serve your homemade shrimp Alfredo immediately for a truly delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.